It's okay, I just wanted
We
to
could
make sure.
figure out, I'd like to
This is for
maybe
each.
timeline stuff.
I would love to take over some other space.
When are we rearranging the room?
So we decided Friday after school.
Okay.
Were we gonna do it today? We were gonna do it yesterday afternoon.
Okay.
So I have that.
I thought I was gonna have like a thought on the options that I don't know.
Based on our timeline slowing down, we thought rather than and shifting or confusing them, we'll do it for Monday and we'll start Monday with options. Yeah, this is what we do. We get done, finished, we're moving, and yeah.
And I think it's a good